Our next topic is beginning of cultivation. How did early human learnt the act of cultivation? Towards the end of the Mesolithic age, the early human accidentally came to know how to grow plant and grains. The seed in discarded vegetable remain might have sprouted and suggested the magical link between seed and the plant. Thus, human learned that they could grow plant by putting seed in the soil and watering the soil. So, जो beginning of cultivation, जो agriculture कैसे start हुई? Agriculture started at the end of the Mesolithic age. In the previous chapter, we have already discussed about the Mesolithic age. The climatic condition changes and they came to know how to grow plant and vegetable. So, for agriculture, the human have to stay in the same place for a long time to look after the plant till the grain ripen. So therefore they started living in the hut near the field. एग्रीकल्चर के लिए ह्यूमन को नियर वाटर सेटलमेंट जरूरी था क्योंकि इरिगेशन पर्पस के लिए वाटर चाहिए था एंड टू they have to stay for a long time to look after the plant till the grain ripen. Okay, and first जो crop उगाई गई थी, wheat and barley were the earliest cereal grown. Now the impact of cultivation on the human life. What was the effect of cultivation on the human life? Agriculture का early human life पे क्या effect पड़ा? Number 1, people started living a settled life at the one place. लोग एक ही जगह में रहने लग गए for agriculture purpose. Second, village community came into existence. Village community came into existence means जो लोग ग्रुप्स में रहने लग गए. पहले लोग कहीं भी रहते थे लेकिन अब वो विलेज कम्युनिटीज ग्रुप में लोग एग्जिस्ट करने लग गए. Next is commercial activities were encouraged because of the surplus production. Commercial activities means the seeds can be used for storing purpose, for gifting the other people, for as a food. तो ये commercial activity जो surplus production था वो store होने लग गया था. The agriculture technology took off. Agriculture started. Exploitation of natural resources begin. Exploitation of the natural resources means human resources का exploitation होने लग गया. Plants को लोग तोड़ने लग गए, उसका exploit करने लग गए उसको. So it is very important what was the effect of cultivation on human life. Settled life, number 1, village community came into existence. Commercial activity were encouraged and agriculture technology took off and exploitation of the natural resources. Next is domestication of animal. Domestication is a process in which people grow plant and look after animal. जो लोग plant को grow भी करते थे और animal को look after करते थे, उनको take care करते थे. तो it is a gradual process. एंड जो टेमेबल एनिमल्स थे वो थे, फर्स्ट जो डोमेस्टिकेट किया था डॉग था एंड आफ्टर दैट डोंकी, बुल, हैन, पिग. द न्यूलिथिक पीपल स्टार्टेड डोमेस्टिकेशन these animal later on. The animal were used for carrying heavy loads and plowing field also. Okay. So domestication began about 12,000 years ago. It was a gradual process. Next is, what were the sites where archaeological evidences of grain and bones of the domesticated animal have been found from the site, which are located in the present day India. So in Chirant, wheat, grain and gram, barley, buffalo and ox. The bones of buffalo, ox and remains of wheat, gram, barley have been seen. तो these are the evidences कि कहाँ पर कौन सी चीज हमें मिली. बोन्स मिले एनिमल के और कुछ एशेज मिले, जिससे ये पता चलता है कि पहले के लोग कौन से क्रॉप यूज करते थे. And the farmer did the cultivation while the herders looked after the animal. And archaeologists can identify these grain and bones of the different animal as well. That's all for today.